Hello, in this video I will show you how to change metadata in bulk for multiple files in the Windows operating system. Here I have prepared 25 photo files for experimentation. The first thing you need to do is create a special folder as a workspace to work on this metadata to make it easier and faster. Once done, put all the photos whose metadata you want to change into this folder. Next, you need to download an application called ExifTool, which you can find on Google or Bing. Here is the official website, exiftool.org. Since I am using Windows, I will download this particular version. After downloading, move the ExifTool file to the workspace folder where we will execute the bulk image metadata edit. Extract the file. Then, rename the exe file by removing the parentheses and k, so it becomes exiftool.exe. Next, you can open the terminal or Windows PowerShell by pressing and holding the Shift key on your keyboard. Then right-click in an empty space and select Open in Terminal. Here we can see the metadata directly with ExifTool. Just type exif and press Tab for autocorrect, followed by the file name and its extension. For example, here I want to see the metadata in image1 JPG. We first show the file name extension, copy the file name, and paste it into the terminal. You can see here the metadata contained in the image file. To remove metadata, you can use the following command. Don't worry, I will put all comments in the description so you can copy them. Okay, we will try to delete the metadata in one JPG image. So we need to change the file .ext to one JPG. Okay, nice. Now let's check the metadata again. You can see for yourself, now the metadata is gone and we can add new metadata. If you have many files and want to do it in bulk, you can change the file name to a wildcard, followed by the file extension, whether it's PNG, JPG, web, etc. Okay, after we delete all the metadata in batch, now let's check the metadata in one of the affected photos. Here it is, the metadata has been completely cleaned. Then we can add new metadata in various formats that I have written on the website. You can check the link in the description. For example, we want to add title to the file. Let's take sample1.jpg. Now let's check the metadata again. Okay, the metadata has been successfully added. There are various types of metadata that you can change. You can check them on the website, the link of which I have put on the description. Just like before, you can also add multiple metadata at once in one command. For example, I will add title, subject, keyword, and album at once to a file. So we can combine the commands like this, followed by the file name and its extension. Okay, great. And just like before, if you want to do bulk image metadata editing, just change the file name to a wildcard. and do it one by one for each different type of file extension. In conclusion, by following these simple steps, you can efficiently and effectively manage the metadata of multiple files on your Windows system, whether you are looking to remove existing metadata or add new ones. ExifTool makes it straightforward process. Remember to check the description for all the detailed comments and link to resources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more test tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.